Do you have an idea for an app, but don't know how to build it yourself? Have you always wanted to learn to code, but think it's too hard or would take you too long? Become an Android developer from scratch covers everything you need to start your career as a mobile developer, even if you've never coded before. With this course, you can quickly and easily learn to code in Java, the most popular programming language in the world. It also covers everything you need to know about Android, which is on more devices than any other platform. Divided into 19 sections and over 100 chapters, this course takes you inside the mind of a professional mobile developer. You'll get access to the knowledge, skills, and perspectives that the pros use to make polished applications that are both fun to use and exciting to build. Hi, my name is Adam Lupu. I've been an educator for almost 20 years, the last 4 of which I've spent researching how novices learn to code and how experts hone their skills. I've worked with over 1,000 students from all over the world, and I've discovered some really cool techniques to rewire your brain and learn mobile development faster than anyone, including myself, thought possible. So I teamed up with the best mobile developer I could find to create this course.
My name is Adam Schwemm, and I've been a programmer for over 15 years. I've worked with Sony, Nvidia, Verizon, developing apps like Shazam and Music ID. I built the world's first video streaming app store for Android when others thought it wasn't possible. I think mobile devices are the closest thing we have to magic, and I'm excited to guide you in building software that you can be proud of and apps that are truly engaging. In this course, you'll use the most powerful development tool available, Google's very own Android Studio. With this cutting-edge IDE, you'll create responsive UI navigation, craft multi-resolution applications with fragments, use advanced libraries to leverage the power of third-party APIs, and access hardware sensors to take full advantage of what the latest Android SDK has to offer. All course materials, including everything you need to get started, will be available for download, and lessons will come with carefully crafted visual aids to help you understand everything you need to know.
On top of that, we're excited to offer you our Code-Alongs. The Code-Alongs give you the chance to build applications right alongside a professional developer and a learning scientist. Find out why the pros are having so much fun coding mobile apps.
This is quite simply the best Android development course available online, and we want to keep it that way. So we will be here to answer your questions and create new modules that will help you keep your skills up to date.
Isn't it about time to launch your new career and build amazing mobile applications? Let's get started.